My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video going to be very special for all of Shiba holders. So if you are a holder of Shiba coin, so please keep watch this video till the end, friends, because in this video I'm talking about the important talks about the Shiba coin, friends. So keep watch. And friends, remember that if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm asking you to please click the subscribe button, friends. Now friends, let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the biggest mistake of Shiba coin. At this time now, a lot of holders do a biggest mistake, so please don't do this mistake, friends. Now the currently at this time price of the Shiba coin is about 0.00019 USD dollar is this time price of the Shiba coin. And friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Shiba coin, so absolutely Shiba coin going viral in the cryptocurrencies market, friends. The whole changes occur in the Shiba coin in the 24 hours is a very big jumps occur in the Shiba coin, friends. A big big changes occur in the Shiba coin in only 24 hours, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Shiba coin, so positive, friends. So that's mean that the Shiba coin is ready to move, friends. Let's see the price chart of the Shiba coin and what is the biggest mistake of Shiba coin. As you can see here on the graph, friends, a lot of holders do a biggest mistake on this time, friends. As you can see here at this time, a lot of holders the fast occur in the Shiba coin. That's mean that the a lot of holders sale has coin on this time, friends. So please don't do this mistake at this time after you are a holder of Shiba coin. That is my personal suggestion for all of you. That's I recommend for all of you, friends, that not it's time not to sell. It's time to only and only hold Shiba coin, friends, because as you know, it is just the beginning of Shiba coin. The big jump, the big explosion of the Shiba coin are coming soon. Please hold your coin at this time, friends. As you can see here, the last one day price prediction, the last 1 day price changes occur in the Shiba coin. 457.04% positive change occur in the Shiba coin in the 24 hours, friends. So that is clear that the Shiba coin, the whole changes occur about 500% positive, friends. So there is no doubt in the Shiba coin that they can ready to move, friends. I think that Shiba coin is at this time the toppest coin after cryptocurrencies market, friends, and soon, and there is a lot of chances to they can hit a 1 USD dollar in this week if this kind of changes continue in the Shiba coin. So the day is very near that Shiba coin had a 1 USD dollar, and Shiba coin, trust me, Shiba coin make millionaire and this month, friends. So please don't sell, only hold your coin. What's your opinion about Shiba token? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends.